In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of listening to music while playing on Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Listening to music while playing Roblox enhances the gaming experience by boosting focus and creating a more immersive atmosphere. It also helps set the mood, making the gameplay more enjoyable and relaxing. To listen to music while playing Roblox, you can follow a simple method that uses your device's shortcuts and accessibility settings. Start by opening the Shortcuts app on your mobile device. Once inside, create a new shortcut by selecting the option to add an action. Search for the play-pause action in the search bar, just as I did. This will allow you to set up a shortcut that controls your music playback. After you've added the action, save the shortcut, and it will be ready to use whenever you need it. Now, proceed to adjust your device settings to make the shortcut accessible during gameplay. Open the Settings app on your phone and navigate to the Accessibility section. From there, go to the Touch menu and locate the Assistive Touch option. Turn on Assistive Touch, which will enable a floating menu that can be customized. Once it's activated, scroll down to the Custom Actions tab within the Assistive Touch settings. Tap on the Double Tap action, and in the menu that appears, scroll until you find your newly created Play Pause shortcut. Select this shortcut to assign it to the double tap gesture. With everything set up, you can now enjoy music while playing Roblox. Open your preferred music app, such as Spotify, and start playing any song you like. Then, launch Roblox and enter your chosen game. While in the game, the Assistive Touch floating button will remain accessible on your screen. You can use it to control the music playback by double-tapping the floating button. This feature ensures you can pause or resume your music without disrupting your game. By following this method, you can seamlessly integrate music into your gaming sessions, enhancing your overall experience without any interruptions. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.